Good morning. Congratulations to this wonderful event. We are Komatsu. Komatsu is a Japanese-based manufacturing company of mining equipment such as shovels, trucks, loaders, dozers, graders, and so on. And we came from Dubai, Komatsu Middle East, which is the regional headquarters in Middle East. And recently, our business is expanding in Pakistan because Pakistan is a promising country with 250 million of population and a wide range of mineral resources. So we are so excited to contribute to the growth and prosperity of Pakistan's economy and mining industry. So thank you very much for stopping by. Again, please remember, we came from Japan. Komatsu is a manufacturing company of mining equipment.